In the vast expanse of YouTube, where content creators compete for attention, one tool has emerged as a beacon of hope and prosperity for aspiring YouTubers: TubeBuddy. With its powerful suite of analytics-driven features, TubeBuddy has become the ultimate catalyst for creators seeking to conquer the digital realm and leave their mark on the platform. In this article, we delve into real reviews and examine the pros of how TubeBuddy has played a pivotal role in helping creators succeed on YouTube. Data-backed keyword research and optimization. At the heart of YouTube's success lies the art of understanding what the audience seeks. TubeBuddy's advanced keyword research and optimization tools provide creators with valuable insights into high-ranking keywords and trending topics. Real users commend TubeBuddy's ability to unveil untapped niches and unlock the potential for unparalleled visibility. With TubeBuddy's tag suggestions, content creators have witnessed a significant increase in discoverability and higher click-through rates. 2. Unraveling the power of video analytics. TubeBuddy's analytics dashboard is a treasure trove of valuable data that empowers creators to fine-tune their content strategy. Real reviews praise the detailed metrics, including watch time, audience retention, and geographic reach, which offer a comprehensive understanding of audience behavior. Armed with such information, creators can create content that resonates with their viewers, ultimately leading to increased engagement and subscriptions. 3. TubeBuddy's thumbnail generator has been a game-changer for creators, enabling them to design captivating visuals that entice viewers. Additionally, the A/B testing feature has allowed content creators to optimize their thumbnails by comparing performance data. Real-life success stories speak of tremendous improvements in click-through rates, boosting video views and channel growth. 4. Streamlined workflow with bulk processing. Time is a creator's most precious resource, and TubeBuddy values it. The bulk processing tools provided by TubeBuddy have won acclaim for simplifying repetitive tasks, such as updating descriptions, cards, and end screens across multiple videos. Creators have expressed gratitude for the saved time, which they can now invest in producing higher quality content. 5. A community of supportive creators. Beyond its exceptional features, TubeBuddy fosters a vibrant community of creators, united in their pursuit of YouTube success. Real reviews highlight the invaluable support, insights, and camaraderie that creators experience within the TubeBuddy community. From sharing growth strategies to celebrating milestones, this supportive network has become an invaluable resource for creators, inspiring them to push boundaries and reach new heights. 6. Competitor analysis and channel health. TubeBuddy allows creators to analyze the performance of their competitors' videos and channels. By understanding what works for others in their niche, creators can refine their content strategy and stay ahead of the competition. Additionally, TubeBuddy's channel health feature provides valuable insights into a channel's overall performance and growth trajectory. 7. Time-saving scheduled publishing. With TubeBuddy's scheduled publishing feature, creators can plan and automate the release of their videos at the optimal times for their target audience. This time-saving capability ensures consistent content delivery without manual intervention. 8. Comment moderation and filters. Managing comments on YouTube can be challenging, especially for channels with a large following. TubeBuddy simplifies this task with its comment moderation and filters, allowing creators to weed out spam and foster a positive community environment. 9. Best practice audit and video SEO checklist. TubeBuddy offers a best practice audit, which scans videos for potential improvements in areas like SEO, tags, and description optimization. Additionally, the video SEO checklist provides step-by-step guidance on optimizing videos for maximum visibility. 10. Tag rankings and performance tracking. TubeBuddy's tag rankings feature helps creators assess the competitiveness and performance of specific tags. By selecting the right tags, creators can enhance their videos' chances of ranking higher in YouTube searches. TubeBuddy has emerged as the ultimate ally for content creators navigating the dynamic landscape of YouTube. Real success stories and authentic reviews underscore the instrumental role TubeBuddy plays in driving channel growth, engagement, and success. Armed with data-driven insights, optimized content, and a supportive community, creators have harnessed the true potential of TubeBuddy to turn their passion into a thriving YouTube journey. Embrace the power of TubeBuddy, and let it be the driving force that propels your YouTube dreams to glorious heights. Together, we'll conquer the digital world, one captivating video at a time.